Hey, what's up guys? Frank here with another video, and in this video I wanted to make a video to show you how you can change your keycaps on your keyboard or mechanical keyboard. And so there are many reasons why you might need to change your keycaps on your keyboard, and the first reason might be that you simply want to customize your keyboard with different keycaps with different colors or maybe a different quality or whatever. And another reason might be that over time you use your keyboard so much that your keycaps on your keyboard then become very used and oily and maybe even dirty. And so changing your keycaps might be useful to you. Maybe it's broken, you might need to change it. All right, so here's my keyboard. And so basically the story with this keyboard is that today I bought this keyboard, which is basically the Corsair K100. And basically I bought it from another guy that didn't like the keyboard. And the guy that I purchased the keyboard from basically changed all the keycaps to be white, okay? And so basically, as you can see, all the keycaps are white. And so I just want to put back the original black keycaps that I have here because in actuality, I think that first of all, the original keycaps are way cooler since they're black or whatever. Another thing is that the original keycaps on the with this keyboard that came with this keyboard were very high quality PBT keycaps. And so that's why I want to put back the old original keycaps on this keyboard because I think black is better and the original keycaps are better quality, okay? And so to change your keycaps, you first of all need this little tool, okay? And so it's a simple little plastic tool, but the only thing that you need to do is that you need to squeeze the keycap, and you have to make sure that the little edge that are on the tool get under the keycap so that you can actually grab it with the tool, okay? And so you usually hear a little click, and once you hear it, you simply pull the keycap. There you go. So now I just removed it. And so the next thing is that you have to make sure that to put back the right keycap at the right key, okay? So here I just got this up arrow because I removed the up arrow keycap. And so I have to put back the up arrow keycap for the new one, okay? So basically in this case, it's this one. And the only thing that you need to do is that you need to put the little X here in the switch. So there you go. I just did it. I just did this one right here. And so now I'm gonna do the whole keyboard now. And so there you go. I just put back the original keycaps that came with the keyboard. The only thing that I left from the other set of keycaps is the WASD because I feel like these keycaps here are kind of rugged or whatever. They're kind of made for gaming, I guess, because they're different from the rest of the keycaps. Okay, and so the other set of white keycaps were definitely more brighter and shinier, but I actually prefer my things to be simple and durable and of higher quality because these keycaps here, I think they're ABS keycaps. I'm not quite sure, but from what I can see, there's only one, like this piece is only one piece, while all these original keycaps are basically made of two pieces, okay? And so I think these original pieces, these black pieces are of higher quality, and so that's why I put them them back there. And I just prefer my keyboard to be black and simple. Okay. And so I hope that this video was helpful to you. I hope that this video created some kind of value to you so that you are able to change your own keycaps, and let me know if you have any question, okay? Peace.